Today it's all about Christmas cookie bars. That's right, bars. Way easier to make than all those cookies you have to scoop. This is gonna become your favorite go-to Christmas recipe and you're not gonna wanna miss it. It's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're getting festive with Christmas cookie bars. I took my favorite Blondie recipe and I added all sorts of fun Christmassy colors, candy, and sprinkles. And these are one of my most popular Christmas recipes every single year. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. Making these cookie bars could not be easier. They start with 1/2 cup of unsalted butter that's been softened, and to that you're gonna add 2 cups of packed brown sugar. Yes, that is not a typo, 2 full cups. All that brown sugar makes them stay super soft. These are like a fudgy blondie. No dry blondies need apply. You're gonna mix those together. It'll be kind of crumbly and sandy looking because there's so much brown sugar compared with that butter. And then I'm going to add 2 large eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it until combined and then add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. This is a kind of wet-ish like cookie dough for these cookie bars, but that doesn't matter because we're going to be pressing them into a pan, not scooping them, so you don't have to worry about it. Now by themselves, this is my basic Blondie recipe. You can doctor these up so many different ways. But for Christmas, I am adding 1 cup of Christmas colored M&Ms, that's the red and green ones, and 1/2 cup of Christmas sprinkles. I recommend using Jimmy's, not an Emperel's, because Jimmy's will hold up during baking. I'm using a mix that I made with red and green and white and some light green. You can use any mix that you find at the grocery store. Check below, I'm gonna link to my Amazon store that has my sprinkle shop, which is all my favorite sprinkles that I buy in bulk on Amazon. Now the best thing about these is you don't have to stick to the Christmas colors. You can fill in any color M&Ms and any color sprinkles for any occasion. Now you're gonna stir that together and now we're gonna press these bars into a 9 by 13 inch pan that's been lined with foil and sprayed with nonstick cooking spray. Now the batter is sticky, so I spray my hands with the nonstick cooking spray so that the batter won't stick to my hands. And just press it evenly, and then you're gonna bake these for about 20 to 25 minutes until they just lose their glossy sheen. They'll be a little bit jiggly still in the center. You don't wanna over bake these. These taste better underbaked and they will kind of set and continue baking as they cool. Once they come out of the oven, let them cool and set, and then it is time to slice them into cookie bars, and you have the best cookie recipe for the holidays that you will ever eat. These are soft and chewy. All that brown sugar keeps them soft. These will stay soft for days, so they're great for shipping. They smell amazing, they taste amazing. These are going to become a family favorite, I promise. I want you to leave me a comment and let me know your favorite Christmas cookie recipe and keep watching for even more desserts.